Hello again, everybody. Welcome to Breakaway Box Breaks for the 2013-2014 Panini Playbook Box Break number 101. There's the last name for auction. There's Edmonton. So in the box is NE190575540. That's NE190575540. Here we go. Good luck, everybody. So the limited edition jersey, 10/99. Joe Thornton for the Sharks. Got a base card. It is numbered 171 and a 249 for the Penguins of Marc-Andre Fleury. And then our booklet is a first round edition for the Edmonton Oilers of Nail Yakupov. Nice hit for Edmonton to finish off the break. And thank you very much again, everybody, for watching. Hope to see you again next time.